Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. I want to look at a special token today. No, it's not that special, but let's look at XCN. That is something I've looked at in a little bit of time. I don't know where it's at on my watch list, so let me just do it this way. I'll be live today at 11 a.m. Central Time, but let's look and see what's going on XCN. So, monthly's overbought. Weekly right now, we gotta zoom in a little bit. I had this in a falling wedge. At this point, to me, that is not broken out, so I can delete that because to me, like XCN, you just aren't getting the bounce on the weekly time frame, which is unfortunate, but I just don't see it happening just yet. And that's not a good sign. If we jump down to the 3-day time frame, like this is just dumping. You just made a lower low on the most recent 3-day candle. The 2-day looks bad. The daily even looks bad. Actually, the daily looks really bad. You are getting an overbought on the daily while you're making a lower low. That is actually bearish divergence. That is not a good sign. That is extremely bearish. The fact that we are at this point, yeah, that is not a good sign. That's not good. So right now, Bitcoin or XYO, XCN, I should say, third time's the charm. XCN right now on the daily is making a lower low in price action, while the RSI is getting overbought. That is not good. And then if you look at the 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame, same situation. 8-hour time frame, same situation. I would say this: the next support for XCN is 568. That's just what I see going on for XCN. It does not look very good to me right now on the current chart. So if you lose the support one more time at 9.2, I'd be looking for 568 to be the next support for XCN. Your below key moving averages, it's not looking good. The 2-day, the daily is below the 200. No, it's not. 12-hour is below the 200. If the 12 hours below, the next stop would be the daily to be below the 200 at 8.0. If you go down to 8.0, then the next stop would be the 2-day to do the same thing at 4.96. And you have to remember again, the next support is 5.6. I think it's likely at this point we do see an XCN at 5.68. We'll see what happens. I'm sorry that I don't have a more bullish update. That's what I got. I'll be live tonight in about 20 minutes on my YouTube channel and TikTok. I'm going live earlier today because I do have to work tonight. But with that being said, guys, that's all I got. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers. I hope you have a great night or a great rest of your Monday until my live stream in 20 minutes. Guys, my advice is this: follow the trend. Right now the trend is down. Don't get wrecked against the trend. I will leave it at that. Cheers. I hope you guys hit the subscribe button. It does help support the channel, and it's the least you guys can do. See you guys.